Wow, is it day 10 of Craftsmas already? Let's celebrate with a sweet treat. Like previous crafts, the pattern for the candy cane box can be downloaded for free. Check the description box for details. First, let's make the candy canes. Colored polymer clay works great, but I couldn't find any of that, so I'll be using this funky clay that makes erasers. The method is basically the same. Pinch off a small amount of white and red, warm up the clay in your hands, then roll it into a long snake. Mush the two snakes together, then gently twist and extrude the snake. Once the snake is long and thin, chop it off at about 2 inches and bend the top over to form the cane. Pretty easy, right? Once you've made lots of candy canes out of any colors you want, bake the clay. Or, in the case of my weird eraser clay, boil it for 10 minutes.
It's just a roiling mass of candy canes.
It worked! Look how cute they came out. Alright, back to the studio. Next, print and cut out the candy cane box pattern. Trace it onto a piece of thin cardboard, like a cereal box. Cut out the window and the small notches indicated on the pattern. Place the pattern back onto the cardboard and, using something like a credit card, crease all the indicated lines. This will help the box fold. Bend the flaps inward with the help of a straight edge. Apply glue to the flaps and connect the box. Pinch the lid side closed over the box so that it dries overlapping. That way you know it fits on top just right. Once that's completely dry, you can move on to the fun part, decorating the box. However you want to decorate is up to you. Maybe you want to paint it, or recreate a real brand of candy canes. I do recommend wrapping the box with tissue paper though. You can glue it on and fold the paper around the edges without building up much thickness. Cut open the area over the window and fold the edges under. See how clean that edge looks? Nice. Glue a small rectangle of plastic packaging over the window. Take the candy cane box insert pattern piece and trace it onto a contrasting paper. Cut this piece out, apply glue, and lay it into the box window side first. Once everything is dry, the box is done. Let's place the candy canes inside. So cute! Still looks a little plain though. I don't know, it doesn't feel commercial enough. Charlie Brown would be so proud. So for the finishing touches, add a tiny label, barcode, and nutrition facts to the box. I include these on the printout if you'd like to use them as well. All done! I'm not that great with clay, but even so, my candy canes came out super cute. So I bet you can do even better. Check back tomorrow for more crafts. Annyeong!